One was my senior KG class teacher, Geeta teacher. The other one was my class 10th class teacher. She was also my English teacher. And the way she taught, that was like one of the best teaching methods I have seen.
He is Mr. V.K. Bansal. He is popularly known as Bansal sir. His impact on me, I think, has gone beyond the subject as well. And that's why I think that's the first name that comes to my mind.
Her name is Kala Krishnan. And she was my English teacher. She would teach in such a way with flair. I take those traits. I still take those traits. And I have those traits.
Actually, he was a dentist, but he used to give us coaching just as an additional gig because he really loved teaching students. And I still remember one of the topics he taught me was hydrocarbons. Right? End to end that topic, it's yet clear to me till day because of the way he explained it.
Before a teacher starts teaching, there is a whole set of activity that a teacher gets into. Now imagine a tool like EduAI, which is present in TMX, which can take care of all these repetitive, mundane and critical tasks. The efficacy of teachers will go up because they'll be able to focus on their core job, which is teaching.
Imagine the visualization which the student can get if you use tools which help that, right? And that really inspires the child to go deeper.
When I was back in school, it was just theory. But if I could see the visual aspect of where does the blood circulate, what happens if the heart, the ventricles are closed, or how it is functioning, I can still imagine maybe I would have been a doctor, I don't know.
Spent his entire life of 25-30 years around students, so he'd be more than happy to stay connected with his students beyond that classroom. He can expand his enjoyable lessons beyond the classroom and allow the students to take it to their home as well. And I think students will also feel like doing that.
Education is at the core, and you cannot remove the teacher from that equation. I believe that teachers need to be given that. They care about. I've seen teachers, we all have seen teachers who personally care, right? And if they are given that tool to enable learning better, to make their classrooms better, why not?
Teacher inspires the students. Teachers inculcate those values into the students which they take for life. And in the teaching community, particularly where the teachers are overworked due to non-student-centric tasks, I think AI can truly disrupt that. And one of our offerings as part of the TeachWinTech's product is also EduAI, which really makes the entire lesson planning or resource searching for the teachers extremely intuitive and extremely hands-on, that the teachers have more and more time to spend with children and inculcate the values, like I said earlier.
We wanted to give something back to the society as well. We wanted to help empower education more in the classroom. The approach that we've always had is simply giving a solution, not any tool which we feel is actually helpful in the classroom, but what teachers actually need in the class. This is the exact feeling why I come every day happy that okay, I'm doing something for the educational society.
For me, it feels very satisfying that I'm doing something that is giving back to the community of teachers as a whole. I'm solving for digitization in a school where these resources are limited, and I'm thankful to be able to kind of identify like-minded organizations like NGOs and corporates who see the cause as the right one, and they are socially minded and socially responsible to be able to support us in this journey. So that's what drives me.
Education moves the world forward, and it deserves the best technology. That is why at Teachment, all of us are relentlessly working towards empowering teachers with the right technology to help them drive impact at scale.